we have 3 and 3 over 4 divided by 2 and 3 over 5. So first, we are going to convert this mixed number into a improper fraction. So first, copy lang natin yung denominator na 4. Then we multiply. 3 times 4, that is 12. If we simplify, 12 divide 4, that is 3. Tapos, add lang natin yung fraction na 3 over 4. So, 12 plus 3, that is 15. Then, copy lang yung denominator na 4. So, we have 15 over 4. Next, we have 2 and 3 over 5. Una, copy lang natin yung denominator na 5. Tapos, we multiply 2 times 5. So, that is 10. If we simplify 10 divide 5, that is still equal to 2. Tapos, add lang natin yung fraction na 3 over 5. So, plus 3 over 5, then we simplify. 10 plus 3, that is 13. Then, we just copy denominator na 5. So, we have 13 over 5. So, meron na tayong 15 over 4 and 13 over 5. So, pwede natin siyang i-divide. So, 15 over 4 divided by 13 over 5. So, first, copy lang natin yung 15 over 4. Tapos, we turn this division sign into a multiplication sign. Then, we just flip this fraction. So, we have 5 as our numerator and 13 as our denominator. So, we can now perform the multiplication of fraction. 15 times 5, that is 75. Tapos 4 times 13, that is 52. So for this example, we cannot divide this number. So we turn 75 and 52 into a mixed number. So we divide 75 divide 52. That is 1 point something. Meron pa siyang decimal. Pero disregard mo lang yung decimal. Yung whole number lang ang i-consider natin. Then we multiply 1 times 52, that is 52. Then for our fraction, we just subtract 75 by 52, that is 23. Tapos copy lang natin yung denominator na 52. So for this improper fraction, ang kanyang mixed number ay ganito. So we have our answer 1 and 23 over 52.